All right, so here we are, part number 3 of how to fix my poor sprinkler installation. We are back at the home of the family friend, and today I'm only looking at digging 2 to 3 heads out and then swapping any of the pop-ups with the MP rotators and get that all done. I'll be capping some heads because it'll be excessive coverage along the back fence that sits along the south, but let's go.
I hate when that happens.
Okay, so we're done with the installation. We actually are done with the calibration. Lost the footage on that, but we're gonna run it, let you see what it looks like, and go from there. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for any notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and please comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.